In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started selling digital products online. Now, I've personally sold over $1 million worth of digital products. And in this video, I'm going to step you through exactly how to do it. And if you stay to the end, I have a crazy gift that I'm going to be giving every single one of you who decide to stay to the end. And that is a digital product that's done for you that you can go and sell and keep 100% of the profits. It's my gift to you. It's done for you. All you have to do is stay through this video and check this out. So with that being said, let's dive into the video and I'm going to show you how to get started selling digital products. Now, if you haven't created a digital product before, a good place to start would be Canva. All right, canva.com is a great place you can go. I use Canva for so many different things. You can create ebooks, you can create digital downloads, even the mockups right here. I have the page of the mockup. You can do ebooks. You can see recently used. I use this one quite a bit. And you can create your mockups also for your digital products. Now, before we get in and start learning how we can create digital products, I'm not going to go into the actual creation of the digital product. If you want a more in-depth video on that, I will leave it linked up in the card here, and you guys can go check out how to create the digital products using Canva. So before we go into this, there's a couple things that you can do. The first thing is you can jump over to Google Trends. This is an absolutely free tool, and we can start researching different types of niches. So let's just say make money with AI. We'll do the drop down right here. And we're going to do the past 5 years, and we want to analyze the interests over time. So in the past 5 years, obviously AI has really taken off, and the interest to make money with AI has also taken off. So this is a good way to validate an idea of a digital product. Now, if you have a couple of different ideas, a good way to figure out how to create a killer digital product, let's just say that you want to create a course, is you can come over to udemy.com. And I don't recommend selling on Udemy. I recommend having your own funnel and your own checkout process. I do not recommend selling on Udemy. You can do it and make good money. However, they're going to take a portion of the money and then you're not keeping 100% of the profits for your own. So let's come over to Udemy and let's just say something like YouTube marketing. And I'm going to hit go on that. And then what I recommend doing is once we have these loaded up, is to come over here to the ratings area and you want to filter it to the highest ratings, okay? Once you do that, you're going to see the top rated courses on said topic. So what you can do is I'm going to hold command and I'm going to open a couple of these in a different tab, all right? Once you have a few of them opened up, you're going to come over here and what you want to do is you want to have, okay, so here's one, here's number two. What you want to do is come into these courses. You're going to scroll down and you're going to start analyzing what is the content inside of these courses. So open some of these up and see what are they teaching, right? Because these are two separate courses on the same topic. So once you start looking at one, you're going to jump over to the other and do the same exact thing. Come down to the course material and come down here and start looking at what they're talking about. What are they teaching on? Because these are top rated courses, okay? So once you have some similarities, open a Google Doc sheet and then start taking note of what people are actually saying. The other thing that you can do to get feedback, basically before you even launch your own digital product, you can come in here and click on ratings and then start going through the ratings of these courses. See what people like and see if you can find what people don't like. And you can simply do that by clicking on the different stars. So let's just see who rated this a 2-star, which isn't that many, and then start getting feedback of what people wish they would have had inside of these courses. This is a great way to outline what you're going to be doing with your courses. This will give you the foundation to come up with an outline of a course. And of course, you can do this with several different topics. Maybe you don't want, let's just say it's not YouTube marketing, but let's just say, okay, you want to do Instagram marketing. You can pull that up as well. And what you would do is you come over here and you would do the same exact thing that I just showed you with YouTube marketing, but then do it also with Instagram or whatever the topic is. You can do this with any niche, okay? So once you do this and you put your course together, you're gonna have to have eyeballs to your course, right? Now, if you do upload to Udemy, there is a chance that people will find your course and purchase it, right? But it's still slim to none. Like if you look at this, I just searched Instagram marketing, okay? And if you were brand new on here, you have no customers, no students yet, there's over 10,000 results for Instagram marketing, okay? So the competition is high. So what you wanna do is learn how to drive your own traffic. So let me show you a couple different ways you can do that. And the first way that you can do that is with Pinterest, okay? So once you're over on Pinterest, go up to the top and click on Explore. And then over here, we can do the same thing. So let's just say YouTube marketing, and we'll hit go on that. And you're gonna see all of these people who are creating what they call pins on Pinterest to drive traffic to their website. Now you can create these pins super easy, okay? You can do that simply by coming back over to Canva. I'm pretty sure Canva even has a pin template that you can use. And of course, Canva is just amazing. So you can create all of these. Actually, I would venture to say that 90% of these pins that we're looking at were made on Canva. And so you can do the others, no matter what your topic is, you can do it like this too, okay? Instagram marketing. And then guess what we're gonna see? A bunch of pins on Instagram marketing. And so what you do is once you have your funnel or your course set up, you can drive traffic this way. Now, the other way that you can drive traffic is straight from social media, okay? Here's an example I pulled up on Instagram. And this person right here I just found is creating content right here, okay? They're doing a pretty good job. They have 25,000 followers. And then all you do is you put a link in your bio right here. So when someone clicks that link, guess what? Now you can link to your digital products and you can start selling them that way, okay? So using social media is a very powerful way. Instagram specifically, I know that tons of people are doing this. Not only are they selling digital products, but they're also creating, not in this instance, but they're creating faceless content as well, which is also doing really well on Instagram. So, like I said, if you stayed to the end of this video, I have something killer that I want to share with you. And I'm just going to give you something for free. If you don't have a product yet to sell and you don't really want to create one, I'm just going to give you one. And you can literally take it and start going and selling it right now at the end of this video. So let me show you exactly what this looks like. If you see this site right here, okay, this is my affiliate marketing guide. And this page, it's for sale for $10, all right? You can see that right here. And this is what I'm about to give you. But instead of charging you 10 bucks, here you go. I'm going to link this down below. You can have this completely free. And guess what? It's already done for you. You can sell it and keep 100% of the profits. So that's my gift to you. All you have to do is click this button, fill this out, and I'm going to send it to you via email. Once you get that email, inside of there, you're going to get a Canva share link. And that is going to import straight into your Canva account. And this is what you're going to see right here. This is going to be the digital download that you can go and start selling immediately. I'm just giving it to you. You can come in here. Of course, this is my handle. You can get rid of my Instagram handle and you could change it to your own. You can go through this whole entire ebook. It's 14 pages. You can edit it however you want. You can take away from it. You can add to it and you can start selling it right now to start making money with digital products. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. I appreciate you. And if you want more videos on making money online, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. And of course, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.